Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth is missing or not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Bluetooth is not working or is missing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go to your settings app. Just go to settings. You have a simple way. You just have to run the troubleshooters, not do that. Just search for troubleshooter here. As a troubleshoot settings, click on this. Then click on other troubleshooters and just look for Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth, just click on run and your troubleshooter will start processing. So it will tell you if there be any problem with your Bluetooth. So you just have to wait for this. So once the troubleshoot process complete, you will get your issue here. So if you can't find any kind of issue here, you just have to go back and here just press the start button or window button, search for device manager, and you have to try to update Bluetooth driver. Now to do this, just expand this and just look for Bluetooth. Expand this. Right click on the driver. Click on update driver. Then click on search automatically. So it will search automatically for the driver. If there will be any update with your Bluetooth driver, will be installed. And after installing driver update, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.